I want to get to the other side of the political spectrum and discuss conservatism, the American dream, if I can put it like that. Shelby Steele is with us. Now, he's a senior fellow at Stanford University's Hoover Institution. Shelby, I read your new piece in the Wall Street Journal, and I say the American dream is still alive, and I think you agree with me, right?
I do. I think it's still very much alive.
And
not only in America.
Well, can you climb the food chain? Look, I think I lived the American dream. I came here 43 years ago, didn't have much when I arrived. I think I've climbed the food chain. I've lived that dream. Do you think that someone who comes to America today, also with nothing, can climb the food chain just like I did?
Absolutely. Why not? We are a free society, essentially, based a good deal on individual initiative, individual effort, responsibility. These are the kinds of things that give you a very good chance of succeeding in a free society. So, yes, I think very much it's
Shelby, you hear it all the time that somebody can be held back by their race or their gender or their ethnicity. You hear that all the time. You can be held back by those factors. No?
We live in a new age. I grew up in segregation. I know what it's like to have a society entirely organized against your aspirations as an individual. I know what that's like. That does not exist any longer. It's not absolutely perfectly gone, but it is largely gone. So that today, no matter who you are, no matter what your race is, your color is, your ethnicity, etc., you can do pretty much what you want to do, what you want to work hard enough to really do. I don't know any place in the world that offers more opportunity, more freedom than this society.
Yeah, I agree. I
convince ourselves for all sorts of other reasons that's not true. Yeah. But as a black American, I can certainly tell you one of the most important things I've ever understood in my life is that I'm free. That was not the case when I grew up. That freedom is a very rare gift, and we need to appreciate it. It is the answer to all of our problems.
Shelby, thank you very much for being on our program today and making that statement, because all too often we hear the exact opposite, and it was a real pleasure to have you with us, so thank you.
Well, thank you for having me.